Hi, my name is Anna. Nice to meet you. Hi, Anna. I'm Helena. Nice to meet you too. How are you today, Helena? I'm good, thank you. And you? I'm fine. You look happy today. Thank you. I feel happy because the day is calm. What about you? How is your day? My day is good. I woke up early and had breakfast. That's nice. What did you eat? I ate bread and eggs and drank tea. What do you like for breakfast? I like fruit and milk. It makes me feel fresh. That sounds healthy. Do you go to school or study at home? I go to school. I like learning English. And you, Anna? I study English at home. It is sometimes hard, but I enjoy it. Yes, English needs practice every day. That's true. What do you do in your free time? I like listening to music and reading simple stories. How about you? I like watching short videos and learning new words. That's a good way to learn. Thank you. What is your favorite English word? I like the word smile. It feels warm. What is your favorite word? I like the word dream. It gives me hope. That's beautiful. I'm happy to talk with you, Helena. Me too, Anna. Let's practice English again. Yes, let's do it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you again. Maybe, maybe not.